Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So it's part two. We're going through the Armor Guard rolls. Yesterday we did $400 worth of $2 coins in the Prosecutor rolls, and now we're going to go through $400 worth in the Armor Guard rolls and see which security company has the best results. Well, obviously this is a small little sample pile, but it will be interesting to see what happens. This one actually came like this, so we'll start with that one and see what happens in this roll. But at the moment it's not looking super promising. Updates at 2006. So no coloured coins in the first lot, and I can't see anything sort of shiny, so more than likely we're not going to find anything super special in this roll. Let's hope the other 5 rolls, or the other 7 rolls, have got something to show. $2015, but not a remembrance coin. And nothing there. Definitely not seeing the shiny colours, the shiny coins that I was seeing straight up in the Prosecutor rolls, which is a little disappointing. Oh, we got a rim card though. Wow, I'm doing right on the rim cards all of a sudden. Alright, there's a 2005 rim card, so that becomes the first keeper from the Armor Guard rolls. You got to check these coins. You really got to check them, because it's quite easy to hide them underneath your fingers as you're going through them. But you take your time. Hopefully you'll come across some nice rim cards. And that's the end of that roll. So this is the one coin, one keeper so far. I really should go and unwrap a few of these off camera. Okay, we got a 2019, and it's just a IRB, so that's a keeper for now. And these all look to be older coins, and no rim cards. $2018, 2016. And 99, another 2018, so plenty of 2018s out there, so really no need to keep them. Alright guys, I've partially opened up in rolls. This one's got sticky tape all over it, so I'm just doing this one live because coins are just going to go everywhere. Alright, can't see any colours, but well, here's a 2019. So another IRB. So I think that's our second one for this Armor Guard hunt. Another 2019. I've really got a feeling those ones are not going to be super low mintage, but I'm going to hold them until we find out more information later in the year. So another IRB. Focus, there we go. So we've got 4 of those so far, but no colours as yet. And just the one rim code. Alright. Okay, I've partially opened up these rolls, so let's tip them all out. Yep, most of these are looking fairly old. Oh, I thought we had another rim card then, but not to be. No. Alright guys, so nothing interesting in those coins there. No 2011s, so let's push those aside. Okay, we've got another roll here partially opened. Let's see what I can see there. Maybe some shiny ones in there. It's 2019, but it's just not really shiny. It's fairly matte already. Well, I'll put it aside as one of them, but yeah, I wasn't expecting that one. Another 2019. So getting plenty of 2019s, and some of them are showing some age. There's a 2018. Alright. Nothing in that one. We've got 2 more rolls to get through, guys. And then we will see the results. It's pretty obvious right now, I reckon, what's going on. We're getting, well, we haven't got any coloured, and but we have got plenty of 2019s. But we do have one error coin, which is nice. Another 2019 IRB. Just post-mint damage. 2012. Haven't come across any poppies yet. This is just dinged up. It's not. There's nothing special going on there. No rim cuds. So we just got the one more roll to get through, and that'll complete our $400 hunt. And the last 3 on that roll. Okay. One last one. Another 2019. So plenty of 2019 IRBs in the Armor Guard rolls. Certainly a lot more than in the Prosecutor rolls. Nope. Alright guys, I think that is pretty much going to be it as far as anything special goes. Just the last few coins. Alright guys, I'm going to get the results and put them in front of you. Alright guys, here's the results. So the Prosecutor rolls, we got the back 2 rows here, and the Armor Guard rolls, we only really got 2 coins worth hanging on to, and that's the 2019 IRBs, and we got plenty of those. There must be 8 or so there, and the 1 rim cud, which was a nice find. And we went through all those on the previous video, but certainly the Prosecutor rolls definitely won this particular battle of the $2 coin roll hunts. And my number 1 coin would certainly be that 2019 rim cud, which is the IRB. So I'm hoping it's a low mintage, but we won't find out until October. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thanks very much for watching. If you've liked these types of videos, please give it a like. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already done so. And we'll certainly have more videos for you soon. Thanks for watching guys. Bye for now.